Hi, my name's Mark, and I'm a chef by many trades. I was asked by someone, would you do some videos showing your cooking, things you know about cooking, etc, etc. So I thought about it for a long time and I decided, yeah, why not, let's have a crack. I like growing my own herbs, I like cooking my own food, and try and stay away from as many packets as we can, tins and all that stuff, unless they're useful, and so some fun. Some nice music in the background, hope you like it, and see what happens. My name's Mark, and I'm a cook, and I've been asked to steaks. Funny little things, aren't they?